So I'm carrying on welding around here, filling in this. I've done the root pass, and now I'm just doing a fill pass. Then I do the underneath, but I'm just going to let it cool down a bit. I don't want to get everything too hot. While I'm waiting for it to cool down, I'm going to get these. Carry on with doing these viewports, because I've got this one that I kind of half did. So I've only done the OD on that one. Now I would have liked to put it in the 4-jaw and dialed it in, but the 4-jaw isn't big enough, so I'm going to have to switch over to the 3 and carry on from there. These weren't so heavy. I'm just carrying on. I'm just trying to get underneath this oxide layer with my first pass, just so that I don't dull the tool. And it's just slightly annoying that the finished outer surface has got a bit of oxide on it as well. I don't think I put any WD-40 on it, but anyway, so I'll have to clean that up. I'm not taking another pass on it because it's exactly at dimension. So just a little bit of a short video this week, just because everything that I've been doing has just been a repeat of the previous weeks. So I've welded this in position here, and I've just attached this on and done the root pass. And right, so yeah, I've bought a smaller spirit level, and I have remembered to make sure that I tip this the opposite direction, because if I'd have done it the same, I mean, that's pretty obvious, but it's the sort of thing I do. So that's at my 45 degrees, and that lines up with my piece at the back. So I'm just going to finish off welding this, and the other thing I've done, I've done another one of the another viewport. I'm almost there with it. This is to dimension now. All I've got to do is just turn down that bore by just skimming. I think I've got 1/2 mil to come off that, and a couple of mil to come off the back face to take it to final dimension. I'm going to do that in a minute. That's all the chips that came off it. So this is the next day. I've just had another afternoon at it. Come on, out of the way. And come on. I've done a capping run on here, and done the tray. So the only thing to do now, get it into its slot at the back. Awkward. There. So just got to make that little piece to go in there and put the other bolt in. And I did finish off the other viewport, so I've got 3 done now. So progressing on that. I've got 3 more blanks there, but I think I'm actually only going to do 2 more, because I'm really not sure whether I'm going to put that forward viewport in. I really don't think it's going to do anything. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you this. This is the original ballast tank idea, and in this case it's sort of made out of plastic or fiberglass or something, and I've shown some straps that I've kind of drawn up to hold them on with these webs. So I couldn't actually get anything that was about 300 millimeters that was cost effective. I mean, I could get a piece of kind of commercial piping, but they only sell it in 6-meter lengths, and it's just way too expensive. And then I've got to get the end caps on top, and to get plastic end caps would be a little bit difficult. I just couldn't get any. So what I've gone for is I've actually having a local company roll up a tube. So that's going to be to 306 outside diameter, and then I've got 2 end caps, which are 3mm end caps, 3mm thick, with an inside diameter of 300 mil. So that's basically how I'm going to do the tank, and I didn't really want to do them out of stainless steel. So these are going to be a little bit heavier than I'd anticipated. So I just need to recalculate how much they're going to weigh, and is that going to affect the stability of the boat. But it does make these webs slightly easier, because I can just weld them straight on. I will have to see. I specified 1.5 mil for the steel, so I'll just have to see how rigid it is. I'm hoping it'll be rigid enough, but if not, I might have to put a strap around probably on the inside actually, but anyway, that's how I'm thinking. So anyway, those I'm expecting these end caps to arrive tomorrow, and I'm still sort of toying with the idea of going with the dome like this, and I've just tried to create a little extended tower there, because I think that would be really good. But the trouble with this is that it just doesn't give me very much freeboard, and that was one of the major points for doing this boat. So we made a bit of progress today, haven't we, Ruby? Although I think I did most of it.